Welcome to Puerto Rico, an island paradise where vibrant life pulses from every leaf and every shore. But even paradise has its shadows. Deep within the lush embrace of El Yunque Rainforest, something is stirring. Our story begins here, in Junior's Rainforest adventure. Meet Junior, a coqui frog who loves his home more than anything. But lately, he's noticed a change, a fading, a dying. The very essence of Puerto Rico, its life force, is tied to 78 mystical gems, one hidden in each unique municipality. From the bustling metro of San Juan to the serene beauty of El Yunque, these gems keep the island alive. But now, ancient evil stirs. Towering, malevolent Taino spirits, adorned with war paint and tribal tattoos, seek to plunge Puerto Rico into barrenness. They are darkening the gems, possessing innocent creatures, crabs, mosquitoes, bats, turning them into instruments of their dark will. But hope is not lost. Three unlikely heroes, each with a straw hat, tank top, or t shirt, and shorts, rise to answer the call. There's Junior, the quick-witted coqui, small but smart, with the power of a double jump. Then there's Tito, the gliding rooster, a master with his hands ready to soar into action. And finally, Juan, the dashing iguana, tall, muscular, and slick with incredible speed, armed with slingshots and unlimited rocks and machetes for close combat. They are ready. Guiding them are three beautiful Taino female spirits who have chosen these heroes for their hidden strengths, ready to unlock their true potential. Together, they must solve puzzles, defeat the possessed creatures, and confront the evil spirits to restore the 78 fading gems. The fate of Puerto Rico rests on their shoulders. Get ready for an action packed adventure.